So the new building of the Kenya police station composed by 2 floors. The ground floor is composed by different offices that the Kenya police can have the right to for final destination. The building is occupied also by video surveillance and independent one. The second floor is dedicated completely to accommodate up to 8 policemen, and also can be decided to be men or women. It's up to the national police to decide the destination. The police has independent entrance, but they will still have continuous support, logistic support, and they will be also hosted to have meals and water, electricity, any kind of support we are.
Talk about, I introduce myself. I start with myself. Okay, my name is Brigadier Hilary Kipkosgei. I'm the Acting Director General at the Kenya Space Agency. As you probably know, the Kenya Space Agency is in collaboration with the Italian Space Agency of exploration and exploitation of space technologies and services for socio-economic development. The Malindi Space Center, what is currently known as the Luigi Broglio Malindi Space Center, is a strategic facility that brings together the Italian Space Agency, the Kenya Space Agency, and by extension, the two governments, the government of the Italian Republic and the government of the Republic of Kenya. You can put the first and opening of the